Hi everyone, this is Miss Farwa. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will be sharing a very interesting program on Scratch. So let's see the result first. Okay, so what is this program actually going to do? You have to press the green flag to see the result. I hope you enjoyed. The program is actually you have a parrot and it's flying in a castle backdrop, and as it flies it gradually disappears. So I hope you understand that what the program will do. Now let's start making the program. Okay, so let me quickly delete the parrot and add another one from scratch. So you have to go to choose a sprite option first, and then you can either scroll down to find out the parrot or use your search bar and write down the spelling for parrot. This is your sprite for the program. Next is your backdrop. So go to choose a backdrop option. It's your choice, whatever backdrop you want, you can add. For this, I want a castle to backdrop, so I am choosing this one. Once you are done with your sprite and your castle, let's begin adding the blocks. The first block to be used is go to motion, use move 10 step block. I will be making it a little bigger so that it is easy for you to see. First block is the move 10 step block. This block will help your parrot to move forward. Next, if you go to the costumes, see there are two costumes for parrot. Parrot A costume and Parrot B costume. If you see the difference, one is where the wings are up and B is where the wings are down. So if you keep on changing these two costumes, it will look like the parrot is flying. So in order to do this, go back to the code menu and here you will select looks. In the looks you have a command called next costume. So use this one, join it with the move 10 step command, and then this will next costume block will help you to change the costumes from A to B and B to A. Next, you have to go to the control block and then use the forever loop. The forever loop is going to help your parrot keep flying. So there is no need to run the commands again and again. If you put the forever loop, it means the parrot will never stop until you press this stop button. Now the next thing you have to add is first just see the result of these three commands so that you know that what are the changes required. I'm going to press this. Okay, if you have noticed that the parrot is flying so fast, what we can do in order to make it slow, you have to go to control and use this wait 1 second command inside your loop. Inside wait 1 second, don't put 1 because 1 makes it very slow. We will make it 0.1 and then let's play the program again. So now the speed of the parrot is fine. One last thing is in the program the size of the parrot was gradually decreasing or becoming smaller. To do this you have to go to looks and use the change size by 10 block. I will use this and put inside your forever loop. But you don't need a 10 here. You need a minus or a negative number. Let's keep it -3 so that the parrot size will slowly, gradually become smaller. It will not be getting smaller like uh, you will not see a big change. You will see a small change and a gradual change in size. And as the parrot is flying, it will keep on reducing the size. I hope you understand that this -3 change size by -3 will help the size of the parrot to go smaller and smaller so that it looks like that the parrot is going and hiding somewhere in the trees. Now, the last thing is go to events and use when green flag block. This is a must because this block will help your program to run when you press this green flag button. Now, this is all about today's program. Let's quickly see the result. Make your screen bigger and then just click on the green flag to see the result. So here we go. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you will practice the same program at home.